Right, this is a video about converting recurring decimals to fractions and writing them in their simplest form. So what, 0.7. So 0.7 is equal to 0.777 forevermore. Let x be equal to 0.777. What we do is we try and multiply that by 10. And what that has the effect of doing is creating 7.7777. Remember, x is what we're trying to find because x was equal to the recurring decimal. So if we now do a subtraction, 10x minus x, and then 7 minus 0 will give me 7, and then all these other 7s will disappear. All these other 7s will then disappear. 10x minus x gives me 9x is equal to 7, and therefore x will be equal to 7/9, and therefore our recurring decimal, 0.7 recurring, will be equal to 7/9. B, 0.087 is 0.0878787 forevermore. So again, what we need to do is line it up. So let x be equal to 0.0878787. 10x, if we multiply by 10, will make it become 0.878787. But then if we multiply by 1000x, that means that 1, 2, 3. Make sure you go back to x, not the previous line. That will become 87878787. So all these 87s will line up. And therefore, if we did 1000x minus 10x, we're going to get 87 minus 0, which is 87. And then 87 minus 0, 87 minus 0, 87 minus 0 will disappear. And therefore, we've got 990x is equal to 87. X will be equal to 87 over 990. And because we know that these are both divisible by 3, we get 29 over 330. And therefore, our recurring decimal will be 0.087, will be equal to 29 over 330. The final one. 0.054, the 4 that's only recurring is 0.05444. So we have to let x equal to 0.05444. So what I want to do is write this as 5.44. So we're going to rewrite this as 100x is 5.4444. And then do 1000x is 54.4. And then if we do the subtraction this time, we do 1000 minus 100x. So we're going to get 54 minus 5, and then everything else will disappear. So this is what you need to do, line everything up. So we're going to get 900x is equal to 49. 54 minus 5 is 49. X will be 49 over 900, and therefore our recurring decimal, 0.054 dot, it will be 49 over 900. So this has been a video to show you how to change recurring decimals into fractions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.